Welcome to Singapore this year, the beautiful moist city. Not really experienced any rain. Thankfully this umbrella is doing the job. And I'm gonna get incredibly drenched. Shit. Nearly got absolutely freaking drenched by... The hair's looking quiffy. How seriously wet.
You are a beautiful boy.
Right. We're here in Singapore. And I wasn't expecting this kind of weather, I must add. Now, my accommodation is just over there by the petrol station. I'm under the umbrella. I've got to get there. And I'm going to get incredibly drenched. Got all my gadgets in the back. I've just been at Starbucks here. I'm going to wait and make a timed dash for it, which is now. Shit. This is some seriously torrential weather. I've got 16 seconds to get across the road. Oh my word, there's puddles everywhere. This is ridiculous. Oh. Singapore, what are you doing? I've not experienced weather like this on this whole trip. I've not really experienced any rain. All the way through Cambodia it was totally fine. I'm trying to cover up my laptop because I really don't want to damage it. Thankfully this umbrella is doing the job of an umbrella, keeping me dry. And I'm going to try and cross this road without getting my shoes too moist. But you can just see how shit. Nearly got absolutely freaking drenched by some idiot who knew exactly what they were doing. But yeah, welcome to Singapore this year, the beautiful moist city. So I'm going to try and cross just here and not get drenched by no car. Woohoo! I was stood right there. My pants are getting soaked, my bag is getting soaked, so I need to try and cross this road sooner rather than later. There's not really much value to this video apart from showing you how seriously wet this place is. So I'm gonna have to turn the camera. Oh, get my wallet out. Are we gonna? Dude, I need to get. I'm gonna have to go because I can't do this with the camera in my hand. Ciao! The umbrella did its job apart from my legs are absolutely soaking. And the hair's looking quiffy. But we're back at the residence. I'm going to quickly show you the tennis court. And you'll be able to see just the scale of how moist it is out here in Singapore today. There will be more videos going around of the city that I'm going to do, but not really until it gets better quality of weather. I was supposed to be going to a football match tonight, which I had to obviously cancel on because I'm not sitting in this weather. But yeah, hope you like this video showing you how wet this city can get, and stay tuned for some more videos of me traveling around the world. Peace.
Hello, boy. Hello. Hello. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Yes. You are a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What you doing? It's so wet. It's so wet outside. We gonna chill?